Hey, shall we go to chai? Chai? No way! I don't even drink tea. Not that chai. Then what chai?
Chemistry and Hybrid AI Scientific Research.
Chai? Absolutely.
Welcome to CHI 2026, a two-day workshop dedicated to exploring the powerful synergy between chemistry and artificial intelligence. Participants received their conference kits, including ID cards and notebooks, marking the beginning of an exciting journey of learning, innovation, and collaboration. As the registration concludes, faculty members, distinguished guests, and participants assemble for the inaugural ceremony. Together, they stand united to celebrate the launch of CHI 2026. The first invited talk will be delivered by Professor Mangla Sundarkrishnan, Emeritus Professor IIT Madras. The session focuses on early academic research and professional development, highlighting the role of AI-powered teaching tools and research databases Professor Mangla Sundarkrishnan is felicitated by our head of department, Professor Prakash, and Dr. C. Suryanarayanan in recognition of his invaluable contributions and inspiring presence at CHAI 2026. Next, Dr. Raghu presents an insightful session on computational NMR spectroscopy, exploring the evolution from empirical modeling to quantum chemistry and modern machine learning approaches. Dr. Raghunathan Ramakrishnan is felicitated by Professor Mangla Sundarkrishnan. Our final invited lecture features Professor Saurabh Ghosh, who will discuss the design of functional materials using machine learning and the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on materials discovery. Dr. Saurabh Ghosh is honored by our head of department, Professor Prakash, and Dr. Diptesh Dey for his insightful lecture and contribution to the success of CHI 2026. Following the morning lectures, participants will break for lunch before continuing with the afternoon laboratory sessions. Join the afternoon hands-on session led by Dr. S. Purnima, SRM Estate, on supervised and unsupervised learning for handling datasets. The lecture will be held at Mini Hall 2, followed by practical training at the iMac Lab, 14th floor, Tech Park 1. Participants can then enjoy a tea and snacks break. Day 2, our first session of the day features Professor Seiji Mori from Ibaraki University, Japan, sharing his expertise and research perspectives with the participants. Participants are invited to enjoy refreshments and engage in discussions during the tea and snacks break. Professor Seiji Mori is felicitated by our head of the department, Professor Prakash, in appreciation of his distinguished lecture and international collaboration. Delivered by Professor U. Lauraj from NISER Bhubaneswar, highlighting contemporary developments in computational and theoretical sciences. Lauraj is felicitated by our head of the department, Professor Prakash. Following the morning lectures, participants will break for lunch before continuing with the afternoon laboratory sessions. The afternoon hands-on session will be conducted by Dr. Raghunathan Ramakrishnan from TIFR Hyderabad, providing practical insights into advanced computational methodologies. The final laboratory session of the workshop will be led by Professor U. Lauraj from NISER Bhubaneswar, offering participants valuable hands-on experience and expert guidance. As CHI 2026 comes to a close, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all speakers, organizers, participants, and supporters who contributed to the success of this event. Thank you for being part of this inspiring journey of learning and innovation. And participants gather for group photographs and meaningful discussions, celebrating new connections and shared experiences.
Miss chai this year? Don't worry. Chai is where chemistry meets AI. Join our inspiring workshops and research. Stay connected with SR Mist. See you next time.